I had made many mistakes in the past. I used to be a shy boy, an introvert, and I was insecure about myself. But after gaining numerous experiences and confronting all my fears, I can confidently say that we can rewire our brains. It isn't very difficult. You just need to practice. Introverted people like Thomas Shelby have a deep voice inside. Many introverted individuals think that they are missing something, whether it be a group of people around them or a true friend, or anything else. Every person wants respect for themselves, am I right? Yes, I am absolutely right. You want to be respected by everyone. This video has the potential to provide you with practical and psychological tricks to instantly gain respect for yourself, even if you are quiet. Rule number 1. Have slow, relaxed movements. Have you ever noticed in movies that Thomas Shelby never engages in physical fights? I'm sure you haven't. Thomas Shelby always keeps himself cool. He has slow and relaxed movements. You will never find him in a rush. If you are moving slowly and comfortably in any situation, it shows that you don't feel scared or pressured. Try to keep yourself relaxed and make decisions with a calm mind. Rule number 2. Hold eye contact, even during conflict. This is one of the most interesting things I like about Thomas Shelby's character, his unbreakable eye contact. Thomas Shelby isn't afraid in any situation and isn't afraid of anyone. He can hold his eye contact, even during conflicts. Look at this scene. I am 100% sure that if he makes eye contact with someone, that person will never be able to maintain eye contact with him. If you find yourself making eye contact with someone, try to maintain it for just 3 to 5 seconds, and then break the eye contact by looking to your left or right instead of looking down. Looking down can decrease your perceived value. Rule number 3. Be non-reactive to hostility. Thomas Shelby reflects immense confidence without even speaking. That's truly amazing. Look at this scene. Being non-reactive shows you feel confident in your ability to handle whatever is happening. He commands respect for himself, being non-reactive to hostility. Rule number 4. Be as big as your audience. When Thomas Shelby is in any group, he naturally becomes their leader and commands as much attention as his audience. Yes, he exudes a sense of superiority. Simply a feast for your eyes.
Speaking of more people.
But the main thing is, you bunch of despite the provocation from the cavalry, no fighting.
But it is you, my friends, who must suffer the cuts in wages, and in welfare, and in dignity. And you must not complain, because that would be unpatriotic.
Rule number 5. Slow conviction with your words. He chose words to be spoken very specifically. You didn't find him in search of hope. He is always confident about what he says to someone and proves his words. He doesn't promise anyone easily, but when he does, he actually proves it. His word choice shows conviction.
And you will change your ways. And I'll change the world.
Rule number 6. Show conviction with your tone. Beyond your voice, you can show conviction with your tone. Showing conviction towards your tone make you confident about your personality. If you want to show conviction with just your tone, end your statements in a downward inflection.
It's towards me, Gina. And if you lie, I will know.
Tommy. He intends to complete the deal. Then you both walk away.
Rule number 7. Speak slowly and use pauses between words. Thomas Shelby used to speak slowly and use pauses between words, making his voice easily heard. The pause itself is a technique that can draw people in. But hey, don't make the wrong assumption. Make sure to pause when people are most eager to hear what you have to say. If you pause and don't deliver something impactful, they are less likely to listen to you with focused attention. They might not take you seriously. You've seen how yogis and monks speak. They explain things while taking pauses during their explanations, and listeners are fully focused on what they will say next.
You know, Michael, when you're dealing with a very powerful enemy, taking revenge sometimes requires time. You have to pick your moment. That moment will come.
Now comment immediately. I will change myself. Earning respect from people is not an easy task. We have to work hard to gain respect because respect holds immense value. As I mentioned earlier, I made many mistakes in the past, and people didn't respect me. However, now they do. Practice these principles and observe people. Elevate yourself to become a person of high value, whether you're a man or a woman. If you found this video helpful, please show your appreciation by liking it. Also, consider subscribing to our channel.